great pleasure to introduce to you the band I taught how to sing, how to rap, and how to wear dreadlocks, but he doesn't have it anymore. Hama te Piki Paki, my brothers, the East Coast Breeders. Yo! Now you can say your koro.
Kia tuta, me ngā ropu tautoko, kia koutou mo tēnei rā, ki te mi, ki ngā maunga whitimatarau, me te awa awatere, ki te mi kia korua, ki ngā whānau o tūwhakairi ora, ki te ropa hine rupe, ki te mi kia koutou, koe mātou, ko East Coast Breeders, no Hirohara mā hau, no tiki tiki rangi tukia korua e te tama. Thank you for today. We got a few waiata. Don't be afraid to come and have a kani, a bit of a twerk. It's all good. So yes.
Kia ora whānau, blessed to be here sharing the stage with all the other artists and blessed to be here supporting this kaupapa today. Joe, play us away, big up. Yeah.
We're going to be at the Tiki Raza if you're up to nothing this afternoon. I mean this evening. Come along.
Yeah.
Turn them up, brother.
Yeah.
Get some of these folds. Take some time, ease my mind, slow me down. I'm not in a race, no need to rush the pace. Slow down, there's no need to rush around. Turn it up and blast it, cause I is on a prowl. Party naughty, we know how to party. We don't push trouble and we don't bother nobody. 2 cups of sugar in my coffee, stir it up for a killer.
As I cruise up the highway back to the diner, I start to lose track of the timer. Everything starts to go real slow, then my body goes into kickback mode. And I feel real good, cause I'm going back to my small neighborhood. You know it's a pity that we have to move away to the big city just to put more poo-tier in the kitty. Man, if I could, I would just kick back in the middle of the flex and a little bit of whack. Not I have to face facts, pay a bit of tax. I'd rather just stay home, make a lot of tracks. On the East Coast where we move at a slow pace. You know the heartbeat, naughty but on race. Every day is the same when we're living our lives, even though it may seem uncivilized.
There's no need to rush around. Turn it up and blast it, cause I is on the prowl for the rhythm. Party naughty, we know how to party. We don't push trouble and we don't bother nobody. 2 cups of sugar in my coffee, stir it up for a killer.
As I stroll through the valley, everything seems breezy. Raw depth in the dawn, sweet sea breeze. High around, but the chilly wind still bare. Baits cooked from the sunshine, triple clear. Hot summer days stacked with the home beef. Wild pork, fat craze, and the roast sheep. Take you to a place full of sensation, where everybody's so tight, straight our nation. Stop the beat for a minute, let me explode. For the Guantanamo, the one Gino eater. I grab the mic and I hold it with a tight grip. Ranger rebels coming at you like a warship. I'm living the life when I hit back to my territory. We're out calm, it's beautifully stands before me. Kicking back, just chilling with a pussy sack. PG's telling all your
Slow down, there's no need to rush around. Turn it up and blast it, cause I is on the prowl for the rhythm. Party naughty, we know how to party. We don't push trouble and we don't bother nobody. 2 cups of sugar in my coffee, stir it up for a killer.
When I say East Coast, you say breathers. East Coast, East Coast. When I say East Coast, you say breathers. East Coast, East Coast.
Slow down, there's no need to rush around. Turn it up and blast it, cause I is on the prowl for the rhythm.
Deal. Kia ora whānau, we're the ECBs, East Coast Breathers. Play it away, cuz. Play the next one. This one's called Take Me Home. Cheer whānau. Always play the waiata, mate. Don't be shy.
Tops of Ikurangi, let I bathe in the river Waiapu. Come gather raw soldiers of Ngati Porou, yeah. tops of Hikurangi. Let I bathe in the river Waiapu. Come gather, oh soldiers of Ngati Porou, the first place to see rise. Take me home, my heart longs for shelter. My vision is blurred, it's blinded by the world. But oh, my soul is trying to find some peace. But Jaja knows I've got to get on. So take me home to the mountain tops of Hikurangi. Let I bathe in the river Waiapu. Come gather, all soldiers of Ngati Porou, yes. The first place to see the sunrise.
I'll name Mountain ECB. Do it for the club to the MPEC. Standing tall like the Hikurangi Mountain. Where your proof is with the golden fountain. This is us, Ngati pride. Rangy road till the day I die. You know my heart go do. When I go hit it to the Uwara bros. We walk like a lion, head up tall. Crushing snakes and rats on the floor. Drowned as kings and queens from the north to plant their seed and bring for the core. We walk up straight, we Ngati below. Clear their path for the time of Clear their curse of abuse and the violence. Open up the mouth straight to the
Take me home to the mountain tops of Hikurangi. Let I bathe in the river Waiapu. Come gather, oh soldiers of Ngati Porou, yes. The first place to see your sunrise.
Kia ora whānau, that one was Take Me Home. There's a good one of our first ones we poured out. This next one, if you know the lyrics to this one, waiata mai again, jam us away, breathe off. This is for the breathers, calling up the B-was. This is for the non-believers. This is for my natives and my Ngati dreadlocks. This is for the coast hip-hop. Up on the Hicks Bay, te araro. Tiki tiki rangi tukia, ruatoria. PPWB, Tokomaru Bay, H.O.N.P, who are we?
East Coast.
Coming straight out the belly of the beast. I'm just another product from the valley in the east. We roll up in steeds, roll up the trees, replant the seeds and throw away the leaves. Coming straight out the belly of the beast. I'm just another product from the valley in the east. We roll up in steeds, we roll up in trees. Can you drop the beat for my knees? Yeah, I'm a Ngati, I gotta thank Jah. Everything I do, boy, I do it with a zah. I know a couple maniacs down way more. I know a couple natives down the Ganga. But nothing like the Lodies, I whare kahika. O ngā kuri pāka no hiru harama. The bros under fitu mataro, horowera. No matter where I go, can I feel the aroha? But it gets nasty up in H.O.N.T. Should I hit the way beetle before TP? Or just go to teacup for a cup of tea? It's just tea color when you're on the EC. I'm on the mean right and the CITY. But the brother PI and he's getting me high. I'm floating like a butterfly on cloud 9. I better cross the river cause it's home time and I'm coming straight from the belly of the beast. I'm just another product from the valley in the east. We roll up in steeds, roll up the trees, replant the seeds, and we throw away the leaves. I'm coming straight from the belly of the beast. I'm just another product from the valley in the east. We roll up in steeds, roll up the trees. Can you drop a beat for an East Coast breeze?
Not I, oh my, another product from the east side. Ripping Jeru like Joe with a strong bite. Set your sights high and your bar even higher. Watch this lion roar, catch a flame, catch a fire. I'm rolling in with the breeze from the EC. Straight from the belly of the beast where we don't sleep. From Tahiti back to Talaga Bay. It's a land full of legends that are here to stay. We got the Borough White Titi from Fano up in Nui. The Leaf Delamaya, your Hicks Bay Slayer. Nuts white tall from Teara Raw. Hell yeah, if you want some more, we got Peter K from what I heard away. Him and Portillo is good for a slave now. I'm on my way back home to Holland Place. On the Rheumatoria.
settle up the hoi-ho, kick it in the hoi-ho. Why you prove? Yeah, I told her settle up the hoi-ho and kick it in the hoi-ho.
And my 19 dress line.
Settle up that hoi-ho and kick it in the hoi-ho. Yeah. Straight out the belly of the beast. Baby, come and have a feast, yeah. ECB, baby. Yeah, Kill Fano, that was Belly of the Beast. Thank you for listening to us today. Next one, bit of a new one called the Hinaki. Play us away, brother.
I've lost no sense. My emotion is hazy. My vision is blurred. The effects of the cold. The trap is an I'm overcome by fire. It's pulling me in. I'm gravitating towards it. I've lost no sense. My emotions are hazy. My vision is blurred. The effects of the cold. The trap is a curve. I tried to leave the climber. My scales are stuck to the ground. Gravity pulls me down. Mama, no, I don't wanna leave home, cause I just wanna be free. Unleash the shackle breakers. Impart the lion order. I surround the borders. Whaka kotahi tango. Whara kotahi tato. I'm blessed to be descended from our Tipunami Hikarato. Take me back to the days when life was just a breeze. Chilling with all the breeze, I'm holding it down for ECB. I'm overcome by fire. It's pulling me in. I'm gravitating towards it. I've lost no sense. My emotions are hazy. My vision is blurred. The effects of the coast. The trap is that I'm overcome by fire. It's pulling me in. I'm gravitating towards it. I've lost no sense. My emotions are hazy. My vision is blurred. The effects of the coast. The trap is a curve.
Like a home, I just don't wanna leave. The kin of the cray, the bush, the weed, the rose, the seed, the ear, the feeds. Off on a mission on top of a steed. Stuck in a life that is kicked right back. Never mind the bills. How do you like that? I'm deep in the bush that is way out the back. I'm loving the whoops. I don't wanna go back. For reality, I got bills to pay. Or should I just say, yeah, I wanna stay? But then I'll be ODP every day. That is the way that I will gravitate. Cause everything is done with ease. There is no one that I have to please. No more corruption, no more greed. If home's the trap, then I'm the
caught in the trap. And this trap is insane. Snap the chat, exploding the brains. Coast life, taking its claims. The moment in time in your life rearranged. For settlement, relentless like a kid's list at Christmas. I can't wait to miss this, accept this. We got the shit on lock, and we ain't gon' stop till we hit the top.
What? My home is paradise. Some call it a hinaki. Come and take a look with your eyes. I guarantee that you won't leave. My home is paradise. Some call it a hinaki. Come and take a look with your eyes. I guarantee that you won't leave. Do you find out that's the hinaki? Right about now, I find out we haven't done this song live, but the song here I wrote for my mum. She passed away 20 years ago. I mean, the previous wrote it. She passed away. She lost the battle to cancer 20 years ago. But in saying that, the brother over here, he's lost his old lady too. And I'm pretty sure a couple of brothers and sisters out there lost their old lady. The brother still got his old lady over there. Hello, Auntie Shah. Yeah. And yeah. So this is the song I wrote for my mum. This is my mum's song. It's called Time Machine. Because if I had a time machine, that's where I'll go. Let's all go and see. Check.
Yeah. This one here's dedicated to my mum. I love her trees at Tifiti. You've been gone a long time now, mum. I've always wondered what life would be like if you were here. I miss you, and I love you heaps.
Dear mother, I know you're up there right above us, watching over us all, cause I know you love us, you and the older brother. I really miss you fellas, I'll see you when I get there, tell the others. Back in 97 when you went to heaven, I was 9 at the time. Didn't know what was going through my mind. All I knew was things weren't gonna be the same. Dad felt the pain every night we prayed. As a family we stayed together. Even though it was a struggle, I knew that things were gonna get better. You used to call me nigga because I was your black son. The black one, the only one with a black young. Wish I could just come and visit for a minute. Come and kick and spit some lyrics and just hit the spirits. But for now, I guess I'll try and make you proud. I always wondered what my life would be like if you was around. Mama, I miss your beautiful smile. Oh yes, I miss your beautiful Mama, I wish you were still around. Oh yes, yeah. It has been 20 years, I haven't said many prayers, but inside I've shed plenty tears. Would I be behind this MIC if you were here? Would your head have taught me to show tender loving care? Cause there are certain things only mothers could teach, but you never had the chance. I feel incomplete. I've done a lot of bad things to people close to me, and I know this ain't how love is supposed to be. But now I'm sitting here late at night and wouldn't have an idea what I'm gonna write about the woman, the lady who gave me life. There's no words on my page, there's no spit on this mic. It's like so many mixed emotions flowing through my brain. I don't know what to say, it's a unknowing pain. And I know I hardly speak of your name, but your memory I'll cherish like a picture in a frame. Hey, Mama, I miss your beautiful smile. Mama, I wish you were still around. Oh yes, I wish you were still around. If I had a time machine, I'll go back just to let you know how much I love to rap. Show you how much that I've grown ever since you left, man. I wish I seen your face every time that I slept. And don't bring your moko puna that you never met. They both have no ears and they both little shits. I don't know, you probably would've loved them to death. And I'll even introduce them to their uncle Henare. See, I don't know what it's like to grow up with a mother, but judge her to the old man, if all I had it covered. It's taken so long to get behind this mic and write you a song, but I know it's Kate Pie. Cause not a day goes by, I wish it was alive. Wish I could rewind time back to 1995, before the cancer crept in like a parasite. But we just may reunite when I close my eyes tonight. Cause Mama, I miss your beautiful smile. Oh yes, I miss your beautiful Mama, I wish you were still around. Oh yes, I wish you were still around. Last night I had a dream that I was inside of a time machine. The destination was no surprise to me. I arrived the day you were smiling at me. I can fly the skies and sail the seas, but there ain't no other place I'd rather be than to be next to you inside my dreams. It feels so real that my alarm clock rings. Mama, I miss your beautiful smile. Oh yes, I miss your beautiful Mama. I wish you were still around. Oh yes, I wish you were still around. Yeah, Kia ora whanau, that was my song to my mum. Hope you like that one. Yeah, pretty sad song, but it's Kate Pie. Okay, this is the last song for the, this is the last song for the, we only had a certain time, but it's Kate Pie. Because this one, we won a competition earlier this year with the song. It's called One Love. Play us away, breather. Yeah.
One love, one man, one love, one soul, one love.
becomes a reality. Tamariki, love each other, hate another. Holy So just look in the mirror. The change that should happen would have to come from within you. Positive vibrations we need across this nation. It's time to air through for our younger generation. Nothing is impossible with their imagination. So it's up to us to feed the real information. Cause it's causing irritation. Seeing Tamariki being raised in methamphetamine habitation. Then graduating to gang affiliation. I'm breaking. It's time that we're wasting on God's creations. He aha timia nui o te ao. He tangata, he tangata, he tangata. One love, one soul, one love. One love, one love, one soul, one love. One love, one soul, one love. I said it's time, what's the time? Time to implement a plan, integrate our mindsets and put aside our differences because the time is the time, ain't waiting for no one. Tick tock on the clock, the time ain't getting slow. It's time to be there for our youth, those afflicted and abused, contemplated hanging from a tree, crying out. I said, who gon' stand if not you and I? Are we gon' sit down and watch them pass by? Oh my, to my, oh my. Thank you fellas very much, one love. Thank you Tuta, thank you for all the stores. And yeah, just thank you everybody. Good to be here today. Cheer whānau, have a blessed day. Yeah.